munene utajione, I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene, yeah, nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want.
Reaction.
Alright, we have a song from, what's his name again? Boltras. The song is called Ting, featuring Ssaru. I don't know, I can't pronounce names. Yeah, I know I'm not good with names. But let's get straight to the reaction. You know what to do, leave a like on the video. I want to say thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for liking the video so the video recommends to more people. Tell a friend about Tyre Vlogs, the reaction boss. And guess what? It is Friday, it's the weekend. So I have all these videos ready for y'all straight all throughout the weekend. So guess what? Like the video then. No. Hey, run tune.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Sasa ukaje?
Niko poa.
Kwapi kwani?
I'm down here.
Oh, ushafika?
Yeah.
Okay.
So come man.
Yeah. Come pick me up.
Trouble? Hold on, my boy, sweet talking to him. Okay. Why?
Sasa nakam.
Mi nitajileta bila fair.
Yeah, I'ma like this one. And I like that I've been reacting to your music for so long now. I'm here reacting to a new song's actually come out. Oh my gosh, it's over with.
Munene utajione, I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene, yeah, nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene, yeah, utajione.
Nitaona nini mtoto? Kwa giza utajua pawa kipofu. Ukisi baridi kuja nkwashie moto. Ukikama hivi kuja nkwatie cause I just wanna have good company. If it's not too much for me to ask, come in.
Exactly, yeah. Just wanna have good company. You know, if it's not too much for ask, like, yeah. What I'm saying, yeah.
I just wanna have good company. If it's not too much for me to ask, come in. Kuku dig down ni kwe constantly. Monday to Monday ni fuckery. Ushaipigwa kitu properly. Ushemalizia.
I'm sorry, yeah, I missed that part there. Whatever, my bad. I have to go back phone. Sorry. Why can I tell me if I go back in the video? Why? You could have said it in the comments and just tell me to go back in the video feeling like, damn, bro.
Not too much for me to ask, come in. Kuku dig down ni kwe constantly. Monday.
See, you missed again. What? I can't go back in the video that many times, bro. Come on. It's the last time going back in the video, okay? No, calm down, bro.
Not too much for me to ask, come in. Kuku dig down ni kwe constantly. Monday to Monday ni fuckery. Ushaipigwa kitu properly. Ushemalizia msetu salary. Enough with the talking, come with me. Baby, come tell me what you want from me.
I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene utajione.
Bro, why you want me to go back in the video again? Like, come on, bro. Like, I can't be doing that, bro. We're reacting to the video. I can't go back so many times. Like, calm down, bro. God damn.
I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene utajione. I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something I want share. Nikikam munene utajione. Knock, who's there? Ni Dr. Wanjeve. Leo nimekuja dina USB na reggae. Neza kujipatia.
Bro, I can't be doing that so much, bro. Stop. God damn.
Who's there? Ni Dr. Wanjeve. Leo nimekuja dina USB na reggae. Neza kujipatia. Though nataka woni jenge. Nilibeba cuffs, I don't know, is that crazy? No, is that crazy? Twende, ina. Mekwa longa cause the nigga just got slimmer. Manners, sina, unaona, pima. Yo kula dina after dinner cause I'm that dinner. Me, I like that thing, I swear. Baby, napanda buti asiponi pair. If you got a pair, number spare. Naitaka daily, baby, isikuwe rare. I like that ting there. Mi nitajileta bila fair. I got something
just came out last night, but let's see the comments. I'm trying to go into the comments before I should finish reacting to the song. It's kind of crazy work, but we got to. While I'm scrolling, I'm actually looking if there's anything else new that came out. But anyway, let's see what the comments saying. Top music like if you believe it's a banger. Okay, I'll like it. What's the first comment saying? No fear, no stress, just vibes and that ting ting energy. Did you enjoy the song? Yep. Yes, I. Yeah, dimmy. Anyways, let's finish up the reaction and post this video.
Leta bila fare. I got something I want share. Nikikam unene utajionea.
All you gotta know is, so once I hit 100k subscribers anywhere this part of Africa there, this is the part of Africa, the part of Africa I want to come. You understand me? I know it's like a 12-hour flight, but get me to the 100k subscribers and guess what? We're there. We're on the plane already. You see me? I say. So I'll see you on another video. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing so we can get to 100k subscribers. And I'll see you on another video. Yes.